Hi, Paul. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch this video. My name is Tisha. I'm from New Outlook SEO Marketing. I came across your website while doing research of plumbers in your area. Just wanted to reach out to you and provide some tips for increasing your online presence and ranking. So today we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that is found within your website. So this could be words, pictures, what's behind the pictures, and how the pictures are saved. So in order to increase your ranking, Google is looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by increasing the content, you are able to use more keywords. Now, keywords is what is typed into a search engine to find a certain service or a certain type of company. Next will be citations. So citations are anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are found. This can be in a local directory, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, LinkedIn, Home Advisors, Facebook, for example. So the more citations that you have, then the more people are able to find your business. Now the goal is to have more citations than your competitors. So this is what I found when Googling plumbers in San Francisco. So the first that we have here are the pay-per-click. So these are companies that are paying to be listed in that area. The next are ads that people are paying for. Now, it's not always good to have ads. Right now in this day and age in 2021, a lot of people have ad blockers, so people may not be able to see these ads listed here. Now, the next would be our map pack. Now, the map pack is companies that have a Google My Business. The goal would be to have you listed in this area. Generally, people will go to the first companies that they see directly over to their website or give them a call. Now, the next will be the organic search. So the first we see here will be Yelp, and it's another San Francisco local directory listing. And then the first company that we come across is Magic Plumbing. So that will be your top competitor. So let's take a look at their website just to give you an idea. So they are utilizing quite a bit of content on their website. Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is a tool that we call Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs just shows us how your website is doing. It is not 100%, but it still gives us an idea. So I'm showing that you currently have 202 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that can be found on a website that leads back to your website. Now, not all backlinks are created the same or equal. We want to make sure that you have some good quality backlinks. So, for example, a backlink coming from a clothing store versus coming from a hardware will bring in a different amount of traffic. So, the idea is more backlinks that you have, then the more traffic you'll have to your website. I'm showing that you're utilizing 74 organic keywords, bringing in roughly 6 people to your website per month and generating about $233 in revenue. Let's take a look at your keywords that you're currently using. So this is how people are finding you. So plumbing solutions, and this is your ranking over here. So plumbing solutions, expert plumbers, so your business name, complete plumbing solutions, plumbing services in San Francisco, plumber SF, solution plumbing, right solution expert, all plumbing solutions, professional plumbing solutions. So these are just some, just to give you an idea, this is what you're currently using. Now let's take a look at Magic Plumbing. So they have a little bit over 1,900 backlinks. They're utilizing 1,200 keywords, bringing in 918 people to their website per month and generating over $20,000 in revenue. Let's take a look at their keywords. So slab leak detection, plumber in San Francisco. So they are number one in that spot. Water heater services, sewer hydro jetting near me. Water heater whistling, plumber daily city, toilet repair and installation. So this just shows you how they're ranking according to those keywords. So the idea is we can use the same keywords that they're using and implement them in your website so that way more people are able to find your website and increase your business. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I have provided. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would like to get some feedback though on this video. Tell me what you think about the tips. Thank you so much for taking out your time today to watch my video, and I hope you have a good day.